Okay, guys, so I told you guys I was holding out on the trade. Literally made 66%, I think. So, absolutely incredible. For the last few streams, I've been talking about this bullish formation that's been going on, and then I told you guys I was in a trade. I told you guys I was holding on that trade. I told you guys whatever. So you guys know. So, lots of really cool stuff to go over here. So obviously, it doesn't really matter how you draw. There's 2 points that I want to make here. It doesn't matter how you draw all the stuff that's going on right here. What you have is a high, a lower high, and a lower high. And what you have is a low, a lower, or a higher low, and a higher low. So no matter what, if it's a pennant, a lot of people, and when you go on the internet and you look at all these analysts, none of them are necessarily wrong. Like, this has so many touch points as if it's a bull pennant, which has a price target of about 74,000, or whether it's just a falling wedge, which is the yellow one, and the yellow one has a price target of I think 71,000. But no matter how you look at this, it's a consolidation pattern on Bitcoin, and no matter how you draw this, we just broke out of it. The only other real way I see of looking at what we're looking at right here on the graph is potentially a double bottom. So I'm going to draw that out so that you guys can get a good visual on what exactly we're looking at. Let's see. Right there. Alright. I'm just going to draw over it so that you guys can really see what I'm looking at. So you take this area right here as a bottom, and then this area right here is a bottom, and then the neckline, you can kind of see it, but I'm going to pronounce it more. This is really the only difference that I see right now, besides the consolidation pattern, is potentially this double bottom with the neckline being right here. And then I'm going to enhance the picture so you can see it a little bit better. And so what I'm looking for as final confirmation is if we can hold these levels right here. So right now we're at 66,000. We entered the trade around 60 to 59. I was talking about it on the last two. I was like telling you guys, I'm down 16%. I'm not scared at all. I'm down $120, but no, I didn't lose $120 because I didn't sell the trade. I'm very confident. I've never lost money before in a trade. I have a 100% success record. Everybody's a genius in the bull market. The only difference is we kind of, on this channel, called the entire bull market, but that's besides the point. And we'll call the bear market, but that's besides the point. The point is that right now we broke out of this consolidation. No matter how you want to draw this, there's so many different ways. I've even seen people doing triangles, consolidation patterns. None of it's wrong from what I've seen from a lot of the big experts in the space. This is what I see. And like I said, there's so many touch points to validate it, and that's what just gave me so much confidence to trade this. So I only put down $1,000, which is nothing to me, and then I did 12x leverage, so it was a $12,000 position. And like I said, I was down 16% on it yesterday, and now I'm up 66% on it today. Made a few $100, cashed out a little bit of the position, just because I don't like the funding rate to run. But regardless, because all that margin costs money to run. But enough big boy trading stuff. So yeah, I'm looking at a double bottom potentially, and again, this would be a bottom, this would be a bottom. So where are we headed if this is potentially a bottom? Because this is the only other narrative that I see that no one's really pushing, and the price action does come in from the top. So a lot of people call this a W formation, especially a lot of people in the cryptocurrency community. They call this a W formation because the price action isn't fully coming in from the top. All right. Price targets 68,000. So there's a lot. So we got a $71,000 price target. We got a $74,000 price target. We got a 68. So we know the price is going to go up. So what are the two things that I'm looking for to really be more bullish? And bullish just means, what am I looking at for me to be more excited on the charts at what I'm seeing to like confirm that the price is going to go up? I want to see these candlesticks close above the all-time high, because these wicks are cool. And to see a wick above the all-time high is obviously a big deal. And that would obviously signify that we're going to go higher. But then also candlestick closes. So there's 13 hours, about 14 hours until this one closes right here on the daily. I want to see that close. And then that would also confirm this double bottom pattern. I'd also like to see a little bit more volume on the charts. Even though this looks like a lot of volume, it's not relative to how much selling pressure there has been. But what you do notice is that there's a downtick in selling pressure, which is a really big deal. Anyways, short video, kind of celebration of we killed it. We told you guys, hey, Bitcoin's extremely bullish. You should definitely be buying right now. Check out Cardano. And when I posted about Cardano about 2 days ago, and I actually put a lot of my profits back into Cardano, it's up 6% since then, and it's been like 2 days or something. So not bad at all. But XRP's been doing good, up 10%. My buddy's really happy about that. But with the SEC lawsuit, I don't know. It's hard to justify getting into a big position. But yeah, we made some good calls, obviously, on the channel. And just sub to the channel if you want to follow our little trading scores or whatever. And obviously, we'll call the end of this run.